Welcome CRM crew, my name is Nick and in today's quick tutorial I'm going to be explaining what are and how to use data sharing settings in Zoho CRM. So once you log into Zoho CRM, of course you'll come to the home screen. Now in order to access our data sharing settings, we need to go to the cog in the top right hand corner, but do ensure you have administrative permissions. So I press the cog and then from here we want to go to users and control and then to security control. So we'll press security control and then up the top left here we've got various different tabs and we want to head over to data sharing settings. So I'll press that button and I will quickly explain what data sharing settings are. Essentially it allows us to set the settings for data to be shared, records inside of the Zoho CRM system amongst different users. So if, as an example, as you can see here, the leads module, the default access is private. That means users can only see their own records. They can't see other users' leads records inside of the Zoho CRM system. Now, as I've discussed in another video, we've got the hierarchies, and that would obviously have an effect on the access. So if you're a manager, you'll be able to see any of the users' records that are below you in the hierarchy, but this is for the same level of access and the same roles, same profiles, and this is allowing us to set the default access, so what they can see. So it's very simple. In order to change or edit the default permissions or the access permissions, we just need to press the blue button on the right hand side here, press edit all default permissions, and then as we can see we are allowed to go through each of the different modules inside of the Zoho CRM system and select accordingly. So there are a couple that are on public read only, a couple that are public read, write and delete, and this is entirely up to you how you want to set these permissions up based on your organization and what's useful to you. If you don't want your users seeing other users records, then I'll leave it as private, but again you can set these to public read only so they're able to see the particular records but they can't make any changes, or they can do public read, write and delete, so they can see the records, they can change the records, they can read the records, and if they so wish they can also delete the records. So it's entirely up to you. Once you've made those changes accordingly to suit your business, just press the save button and those settings will have been updated across the board inside of the Zoho CRM system. So that is how to change the data sharing settings inside of your Zoho CRM system. I hope this video has clearly explained what are and how to use data sharing settings in Zoho CRM. If you do have any further questions, please drop me an email. My details are in the description below. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you shortly in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.